In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Archero tool. So the first thing you need to do is to click on your profile, and then you are going to access your personal info. Just copy your user ID. This is your user ID. So after you copy it, just go ahead to your favorite browser. In my case, I am going to choose Google Chrome. Then go ahead, type in redeem codes Archero 2, and then you are going to be redirected to this page, which has codes and expired codes as well. So avoid the expired codes. Just go ahead and copy the codes you have now. For example, let's copy this one. Just choose any one of them. Then go ahead to this web page, which is Archero Hobby rewards page. Paste in your game ID, then the rewards code you just copied. Then type in the verification code that's in the right. Then click on yes. So now it should be good to go. If it says that the code is wrong, just choose another code. And as always, thank you for watching.